Hey, welcome back everyone. Got the carpet finished, got it installed already. This carpet was really dirty. Oh man, these stains right here I couldn't get off. It's like the rust was just caked onto the carpet. I scrubbed it and I used all kinds of solutions and I just couldn't break any of that up. So did my best with that, but that center console sits right here, so it's gonna cover all that. But that kind of bugs still. Got the seats looking good. It smells really good in here. A whole lot better. I'm gonna get a couple more things ready and I'll be back with you guys. All right, guys. Before I put the seats back in, I greased up the tracks. All right here. On both sides, I did it. Just to help it. I already got the seats on. I figured might as well just put some of this on it and help it lubricate it. Be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. Got the center console in. Got the passenger seat in. The back seat in. Everything's looking good. Now it's all that's left is the front seats. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up, guys. Just want to show you the carpet, how it came out. Came out really good. Cleaned it up really nice. Real healthy back here. Alright guys, that's gonna do it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.